I'm delighted to be here on behalf of the Musicians Union to present the award for Original Work of the Year. The Musicians Union is fighting every day for fair pay, for stronger protections for performers, for venues, for education that keeps our traditions alive. Each nominee in this category is a shining example of the very best of innovation upon tradition. In an industry that has been so detrimentally impacted by streaming and the rise of artificial intelligence, now, more than ever, it is so important that we champion quality musical works that is created with a human at the helm. I'm delighted to announce that the winner for Original Work of the Year at the MG Alaba Scots Trad Music Awards 2025 is Rura, the Great Hereford.